you can increase your breast size by 2 cups completely naturally and without expensive, painful surgery. Plastic surgeons have been hiding these amazing breast enhancement strategies for years, but today, you can join more than 7,591 women from 69 countries around the world who know these techniques, and they know they work. They are proof. If you've ever felt self-conscious about the size of your breasts, you're not alone. You have probably felt that no matter how great your figure is, or how beautiful your hair might be, or how successful you are in life, something is missing. If you've ever felt that having small breasts make you feel like less of a woman, then please listen to every word of this video very carefully. My name is Jenny Bolton, and I was once an A cup. I was shy, and I felt like I wasn't attractive, wasn't sexy. You may know what that feels like. I felt like I was never woman enough to satisfy any man with my small bust line. It always seemed like the well-endowed girls were getting all the attention. After years of suffering the turmoil of watching women with cleavage getting everything they want, I was determined to find a way to grow my breasts. I didn't have many options. I was sure I'd lose the guy I liked to other girls, most of whom were B or C cups. My desperation to grow my breasts turned into an obsession where I'd spend every day and every night thinking about why some women have big breasts and some women have small breasts, like you and me. I made myself crazy, sitting up all night reading through piles of books about the human body, all trying to find the cause of why breasts grow and how I could manipulate it. God knows what people at work would have thought of me if they knew what I was up to at night, browsing through countless web pages, reading hundreds of books, and actually interviewing many professionals. The library turned out to be my best friend when I stumbled into 5 books with proven ancient scientific knowledge on women's beauty. I was hooked, and I read each and every word of those books. It was like I'd found exactly what I needed. In those 5 books, I discovered powerful breast growth and firming secrets of Caucasian, Asian, and Native American women that had been used for centuries with real, proven results. I read and reread those books for weeks. I took a lot of notes, and I was determined to discover every secret about how to make my breasts grow. I had come too far to let it go and give up. And then one night, everything suddenly fell into place, like puzzle pieces fitting together. It was so simple that I actually slapped myself across the face for not realizing it before. I actually felt a little stupid because I had not seen what was going on before. It was right in front of me, and it really blew my mind. I had finally discovered the key to unlock a secret no one had ever seen. And boy, did it work. I went from an A cup to a B cup in only 4.5 weeks. And in another 6 weeks, I got to a C cup. It was all natural and without any pills or creams. Listen, please trust me on this. This information is not only important, it's absolutely critical to every woman. These are must-have techniques. This is the fastest, surest way for every woman who wants to grow her breasts and make them firmer than ever before, and even beyond what you've ever dreamt. Listen, it's amazing to see how much attention your new sexy curves get you from every gorgeous man out there. I was really thrilled that I'd grabbed the attention of my man. I was so proud of my new breasts that I would have walked around topless if I could. But I did the next best thing and bought the teeniest, tightest tops that really showed off my new assets. And that will get you a lot more attention. A few friends noticed my new curves and asked how I did it and could I help them make their breasts bigger too. I had taken detailed notes and done the research, so it took just a couple of days for me to write it all out for them. I gave them my manuscript and offered to help them out in any way that I could. After just 5 weeks and 5 days, my best friend Linda called me to say thanks. She said, "Jenny, you have really changed my life. I've been following your direction for 40 days now, and today had my boyfriend tell me that I looked different. He actually said I looked more sexy than ever before. I'm almost a C cup now. I've never gotten so much attention in my life." And then she said, "One question. Do I have your permission to pass on your manuscript to a few friends who are very interested?" After a little thought, I said, "Yeah, sure." I started getting a lot of emails and phone calls, all all to thank me for these methods. Methods that had worked wonders for girls with flat breasts. I mean, they used to be flat. I even had a few women tell me that they had gotten fuller and firmer breasts by following my routines. That's when I finally realized that with the power of the internet, I could release my manuscript to the entire world in the form of my Boost Your Bust digital guide. Imagine, in just 4 to 6 weeks, you could buy some new sexy clothes to show off your new curves, get to wear dresses that cling to every feminine part of your body without worrying about how your breasts will look, and finally start getting more attention from those gorgeous men. I guarantee that this will change everything you have heard, seen, or tried, and will make your breasts grow like crazy. The problem with most of the information online is that it's too simple. They all tell you to boost your estrogen level. Well, it sounds logical, right? Estrogen is the hormone which controls breast growth, so the more you have, the bigger your bust. Wrong. My big mistake in those early days was to focus on estrogen, the female hormone. In reality, we all have enough estrogen in our bodies to make our breasts grow 10 cup sizes if we wanted. The real secret to getting bigger breasts is to control other hormones which suppress estrogen and breast growth. And that is where my program is different from everything else out there, and why I can guarantee your success. In Boost Your Bust, you'll learn the everyday foods which will make your breasts grow unbelievably. Hint, eat these and you'll never have to worry about small breasts again. The amazing breast massage, which will send growth hormones straight to your breasts. Hint, doing this simple massage before bed will instantly make your breasts more full and round overnight. The truth about estrogen and how much you really need to consume to make your breasts grow. The top 10 bra-busting foods. These are the most effective foods for making your breasts grow every day. Secret breast growth recipes. Make delicious meals which will make your breasts grow fast. I'm going to share some delicious recipes for some of the tastiest meals you've ever eaten. That will do wonders for your breasts. The super supplement that has been proven to boost breast growth in teens and how you can use it to your own advantage. How to make your own breast enlargement cream. Don't ever buy those expensive over-the-counter creams again. They don't work. Instead, use this simple recipe to make one of the most potent solutions you'll ever find. The top 5 exercises to make your breasts instantly look bigger. Take just a few minutes to do these at home, and you could actually make your breasts look double their original size. Clothing fashion secrets to make your breasts look bigger instantly. Here I reveal exactly which clothes you should and shouldn't wear to make your breasts look bigger and a lot more appealing. The super growth routine. This has helped hundreds of women grow their breasts by 1, 2, or even 3 cup sizes. Believe me, you'll get everything you need in Boost Your Bust to boost your bust. All of the foods are tasty, inexpensive, and the ingredients are available at your local grocery stores. My recipes and my methods are so easy. You can make your breasts bigger by following my methods for just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Save thousands of dollars on an expensive surgery. There's no need to go into debt. I almost spent $7,000 on surgery. Spare yourself the risk of invasive and possibly dangerous medical procedures. Don't take the chance of broken implants disfiguring your body. You will just glow with confidence as men start noticing your new sex appeal. They'll even start opening doors for you so they can stand there and take it all in. I love it. Don't waste months and months and tons of money on expensive creams that don't increase your bust size, but instead decrease your bank balance. Just don't do it. Listen, your confidence will soar when that sexy woman inside you comes out. You'll want to strut your new, voluptuous figure in the tightest, cleavage-showing dresses and sweaters you can find. You will get bigger breasts, I guarantee it. I'm so confident in my techniques that if you don't see results after 60 days, that's 2 whole months, I'll give you every penny back, and you get to keep my guide. After 2 full months, if you're not satisfied for any reason, send an email to jenny@boostyourbust.com and I will personally rush your refund to you within 24 hours. This program will work for you. Act now and see for yourself. I'll give you the simple step-by-step directions and show you the best way to make your breasts grow naturally. This is jam-packed with years of scientific research. It's very helpful information in understanding how to make your breasts grow by as much as 2 cup sizes in a simple, practical, easy-to-do, natural program that really works. I can easily sell this information for $200 or more. When you think about the yearly costs, you might already be spending that much money on herbal supplements and other over-the-counter products. $200 or more would be fair. But thanks to the low costs involved in doing business on the internet, and because I really want to help as many small-breasted sufferers as possible, I have decided to offer you immediate access to my program for the one-time low cost of only $37. Look at it this way. $37 is a really painless drop in the bucket to be able to get your hands on Boost Your Bust and start using it right away to enjoy your new life. It's easy to get started right away. You'll get an instant download. Order Boost Your Bust right now for only $37, even if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I guarantee you'll increase your breast size by at least 2 cup sizes, inexpensively, naturally, and without any painful surgery. Order right now and join the almost 7,600 women from around the world who have already gotten great results. Order now and download it now. After purchasing, if you have any questions or need tech support, simply send us an email and we'll respond within 12 to 24 hours to get you started. And don't worry, every order is 100% confidential and anonymous. I've put my heart and soul into this program, spending years helping women exactly like you and I who suffered every day with our small breasts. But not anymore, and now I want to help you. Boost Your Bust has never been priced this low. Don't wait on this. It'll pay for itself just in not having to buy those expensive and useless herbal supplements and creams. And there's my 60 days, no questions asked guarantee. You owe it to yourself to try Boost Your Bust today. You can get started reading it in just a few minutes from now. Push the Order Now button right now.